In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, duplicate, and delete an artboard in Figma. Whether you're just starting out with Figma or you're a seasoned pro looking to brush up on the basics, these are essential skills you'll need when working on your design projects. First, you'll want to head over to Figma's website. If you're already familiar with Figma, you'll know that it's a powerful interface design tool that's rooted in collaboration. Once you're there, click on the login button. Make sure you have your credentials at the ready, as you'll need them to access your workspace. After logging in, you'll find yourself on Figma's homepage. This is your hub where all of your projects and files are neatly organized. Next, click on the Design section. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to choose a project or start a new one by selecting a file. Once you're in, it's time to create an artboard, which Figma calls a frame. In the top menu, locate the Frame tool. It's crucial to know that artboards in Figma help you organize your canvas and are foundational when drafting anything from wireframes to full-fledged UI designs. Click on the Frame tool and draw a frame on your canvas. This will be your sandbox where you can unleash creativity in Figma. Now let's move on to duplicating your frame. This step is straightforward and highly useful for keeping consistency across your designs. Once you've drawn your frame, make sure it's selected. You can do this by clicking on it directly. Then simply press the Command+D keys on Mac or Control+D on Windows. This neat shortcut will give you an exact duplicate of your frame, reducing the need to recreate elements from scratch and ensuring uniformity in your project. Finally, if you find yourself with a frame or two that you don't need anymore, deleting them is just as easy as creating them. First, make sure you click on the frame you wish to delete. With it selected, you can press the delete key on your keyboard. Alternatively, right-click on the frame and select delete from the drop-down menu. And there you have it. Creating, duplicating, and deleting artboards in Figma might seem like simple tasks, but mastering these foundational actions sets the stage for more advanced design work. Understanding how to navigate and manipulate your workspace efficiently will make your design process much smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy design.